This story is about an old man living in Magic Kingdom who used to earn his living by selling forest wood. He was poor, but the old man was known for his strange words and his white horse. The old man had a majestic and very beautiful white horse. There was no such horse in the entire state, let alone the surrounding states, due to which even the king was jealous of the old man. Many rich people tried to buy the horse. The king also charged the price of gold coins several times, but the old man was not affected by any temptation. The old man would say the same thing to everyone. This horse is not just a horse. It is a member of my family. It is not a property. I cannot sell a family member out of greed for money. One morning, the old man noticed that the horse was not in the stable. The elders searched here and there, questioned people, but could not find the horse. The news spread throughout the state. Many people gathered and started talking, adding insult to injury. We already knew that someday the horse would be stolen. This old man is very poor and weak. How could he protect such a precious horse? A man laughingly said, "You have suffered a lot. What could be a worse fate than this? If you had sold the horse to the king, you would have got a good amount of money and would have passed your old age comfortably." The old man did not react to anyone's words, just said one thing: whatever is, everything is fine. Who knows, good or bad, time will tell. The only truth is that the horse is not in the stable. The rest will see what happens. A month passed after this incident. Then suddenly one night, the horse returned. The horse was not stolen. It had run away into the forest. But the surprising thing was that a dozen more horses of the same breed came along with the horse. The news then spread like a burning ember throughout the kingdom. The people gathered and told the old man, "You were right. The loss of the horse was not a misfortune. It proved to be a blessing. Your luck has changed. Now you can become a horse trader." The old man remained calm and said, "The truth is that 12 more horses have come with the horse. Whatever is, everything is fine. Who knows, good or bad, time will tell. The rest will see what happens next." The elder's son started learning how to tame the wild horses. But after just 3 days, the boy fell from a wild horse and broke his leg bones. People gathered again and said sadly, "A lot of bad things have happened to you. Getting 12 horses was not a blessing, but a curse. Your only son's leg was broken. Now how will he get married? The poor guy is unlucky." But the old man was not affected by people's words. The old man said, "The truth is that the son has lost one leg. It is also true that now I must help him in his old age. But whatever is, everything is fine. The rest will see what happens next. Who knows? Good or bad, time will tell." After some time, the king's enemies attacked the kingdom with a huge army. The king's army started weakening due to the sudden attack. Therefore, all the youth of the state were forcibly taken into the army. But the old man's son survived because he was lame. People gathered at the old man's house crying. People said to the elder, "You were right. Your son's broken leg proved to be a blessing for you. He did not have to go to war. But we all are very upset. Our children are gone. Now we don't know whether they will return or not. We all know that you remain the same through happiness and sorrow. But how do you do it?" The old man said, "First of all, understand the truth. The only truth is that your sons have gone to serve the motherland. Maybe it wasn't their wish, but they went to battle. Whether it is a misfortune or a blessing, no one knows." The old man also said, "Until you abandon the habit of calling things good or bad, you will continue to have and live in problems every day. Why take care of destiny? If you must take care of yourself, then take care of your actions, take care of your thoughts, and continue living life happily. Profit, loss, luck are small parts of life. Just as you cannot understand an entire book by reading just one line, how can you assert and decide whether life is good or bad based on an incident that is not under our control? Life is like a story. We don't always know the ending. So why judge? We form opinions about what happens to us and become upset by making meaningless judgments. Don't draw conclusions about small incidents in life. Instead, focus on living in the moment to the fullest. Happiness is not in judging life's events, but in living each moment as it comes. You don't have to pay attention to what people say, whether they are speaking good or bad about you. If you pay attention to what people say, your mind automatically starts getting restless. Therefore, you should focus on the important work of your life, which will always give you inner happiness. So, dear children, always remember, life is full of surprises. Enjoy every moment.
Shake it off, step it up, rise above, won't give up when life gets so tough and rough. Use each chance